Hello everyone, thank you for stopping on my channel. So we are going to continue exploring and upgrading this Laravel inventory management system that we are contributing to. So let's just log into my account. Okay, so we are here at the dashboard. In the previous video, we worked on suppliers and customers, and those things are now multi-user, meaning multiple users can do that thing. Now let's go ahead and check out the quotations and see what we got there. Okay, so we do not have anything. Let's create our first quotations. We are doing this to learn as well as improve this system, so I'm not quite sure what this quotation is all about, but let's learn and improve it if we can together. So here, okay, this is related to products and we don't have any products yet. Let's go to dashboard and we have purchases and orders. Let's go to products. These can be done after we created products. We create products and categories. Okay, so on the products you can see we have products available, but I haven't added them. Let's go ahead and get started with today's the tasks. So I'm gonna go to products resource controller, and here um, we are going to add conditions like product has a user ID, right? So I'm gonna get the products where user ID is auth ID, and definitely we are going to do the same for all the queries, okay, here as well. And after that, unit also has this condition, so let's just select all of them and add this condition too. And now product and units, let's we will be upgrading this accordingly. So now let's go inside this product start index. Okay, here we have product table live wire component. Before we do that, you can see we got to do the same in here. We are going to use the count that we have done in the previous videos with all those things. You can see it's selecting the name and ID, so why do you need to select that while you are just checking whether this item exists or not? So you can directly call the count method and pass it here. And if the count is not like if the count is 0, then do this, otherwise show the product table. And let's go inside the product table livewire component and see what we have here. We are going to add the condition right here as well. Okay, and after that let's go to this blade file and see we have the create, then import, export, and then we have some filters, and then we have the spinner. And here iteration is number. So loop iteration, okay, we have loop index and iteration. Wow, I learned that we can use iteration as well as also we can check all the properties by dumping this loop thing, but I haven't done that. You can do it anytime you want. And after that we have these things, and again here we are going to pass the UUID, and we will be catching this UUID in these methods in the controller. So now let's see what else do we have here. Let's give it a try and see if we still have a lot of products in here. We should have 0. Okay, so I'm gonna add our first product. Seems like we have an error inside. Where is that? Let's check out this controller method create. Okay, it's getting all of them based on the user ID, and instead of all we can use the get method. This is a query builder, that's why I think it's showing that error, but let's see what we got inside this one. We are calling the store method, and after that I think we have a farm in here. Do we have anything else? No. Let's go ahead and refresh the page. Okay, so you can see we have the form. Let's fill it. We're using fag filler. We do have the units and these things, we created them. Let's this is a note. Let's choose an image for the product. Let's say this PowerShell logo, and let's create this one. We have to make sure the store method is properly configured, so let's check this out. We have the request. Let's check out the request. Okay, unique products. The slug has to be unique. I'm gonna remove this because this is multi-user. Now let's check out the migration and see if this is unique from there as well. So you can see it's unique. It should not be unique because we don't know like which user is adding it, so that's why we're gonna like remove the unique from there. And after that we have a user ID, right? You can see, so category ID, and let's remove this validation. It's just why do you require the slug should be auto generated, right? So okay, they are generating it here. Okay, this is the code. I think I can do this inside the controller. So I'm going to prepare validation. Okay, where this called? It's not called here. Prepare. Okay, it's not called here. Maybe this is a method that is automatically called. So I'm gonna uh, comment this out, and I'm going to explicitly define the things that I want to include in this um, model. So it's an array. Let's paste this thing and import it, assign its value to code, and we are going to paste the rest of them, and we will assign values accordingly like this. Now select all of them, hit enter and remove, and now add a comma and dollar request of this, and this should fill that information. Now we have to pass the user ID, and after that UUID. Okay, slug also. Slug is using str slug. So backfiller, no, sorry, the copilot is helping us do it quickly. There we go. After that, nothing else is left. Let's import the str. Use str, and let's see what we have in here. Okay, the UUIDs do not have a default value. So now this is the product image. Okay, now let's put this above the request, and then we will append it like okay, product image is also directly here. So let's do one thing. Let's just remove all of this code, and we can do something like dollar request. Let's see what ChatGPT is gonna do. It's validating it. It's already validated. You just have to store it. Request of file and store it in the products table. That is what I want, and put the value in a variable. Let's say dollar image equals to that, and define this variable to empty value for now, and put that right here like this. Okay, and just redirect it after you create the product. We don't have to assign it to anything. And now let's resubmit the form and see what we got here. Okay, we are redirected back without showing any. Okay, so this is the functionality. Usually what we want is like what we do most of the time is to redirect users to the index page. So that is what I'm going to do here as well. And for that, just a quick pro tip for you guys: you can use the to route and pass the route that you want to redirect user to. You can use like return redirect and then pass the route, but you can use the to route helper method to automatically do that. Now I'm going to add another product and choose the correct backfill. I already did that, so let's just choose an image and choose an image and click on save. It's going to store that, and now we are going to be redirected to the products page, not this product create page. And that is what most of the time we do. This developer has done like this. I do not have any question about that. You can do it as you want. Okay, so you can see we have the products, two products loaded, and you can see the image is not loading. So let's just fix that. I'm gonna go to index, and from the index it's going to product table. Let's see what we are doing with the image. Okay, so just the store is fine, and now it should load, right? Okay, so you can see the product images are being loaded, and that is it for this video. We are gonna do the edit as well as the view, delete, and we will confirm all these things in the upcoming video. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one. And yeah, if you haven't subscribed yet, please do. That helps a lot and motivate us for the upcoming videos.